Yes, we are doing an updated, in-depth diffusing routine. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I have been diffusing my short hair as of late. I got this nailed down. I have showed this in a previous video, but I did not show all the details. Today, we are going into the nitty-gritty details of how I've been diffusing my shorter hair and my hair with highlights. It is definitely way more persnickety than it used to be, and it needs some different techniques when I'm diffusing in order to get the results that I want. And this video is sponsored by Laifen, and I will be showing you some really cool features of a brand new hair dryer that they are coming out with. In case you missed it, I do have a full video comparing the Laifen hair dryer to the Dyson. We go into all the details of exactly how the Laifen is different and the same as a Dyson hair dryer. The cool thing about Laifen is the affordable price point, and they are coming out with an even more affordable option that still has a lot of the awesome bells and whistles that their original hairdryer has. The hairdryer that I originally played around with was the Laifen Swift. I have it in this lovely red color, and the brand new hairdryer that Laifen is coming out with is the Laifen SE. Some of the differences between these two dryers are as follows. While the original Laifen has 110,000 RPM airspeed, the Laifen SE has a slightly less powerful motor that does 105,000 RPM. The airspeed on the original is 22 meters per second. The airspeed on this SE hairdryer is 21. The buttons on the original are very shiny. They are metal, whereas on the SE, the buttons are made of plastic. They're still quite beautiful and very, very functional. For temperature control, the original Laifen checks the temperature 100 times per second, whereas the SE checks it 50 times per second. So these small tweaks don't affect the performance of the product. However, it does significantly help the price. If you are interested in checking out these hair dryers, feel free to look at the links down below. Basically, this is the now pro version in my mind that Laifen has to offer. So if you're a professional hairstylist, this is the pro version, whereas the SE is more for home use. All right, guys, let's get into diffusing. I need to wash my hair and then come back, because clearly we're not washed. Okay, I'll be right back and ready to diffuse. And wow, just like that, I've washed my hair. I don't know why, but it is so satisfying to play with the magnetic attachments on the Laifen. Anyway, the Laifen has 2 air speeds, and this is what it sounds like. It's really pretty quiet at only 59-ish decibels, and it has 4 heat settings: cool, warm, hot, and if you press and hold the temperature button, it will actually circulate between cool and hot, which is super cool. Really neat feature. I'm going to be using high speed and warm temperature setting to start off my diffusing, just placing that hairdryer on the counter and gently scooping up my hair with my perfect hair care towel. This is called hammock diffusing, and what I'm basically doing is I am getting my curls kind of set. I'm starting to get the cast going in the most gentle way possible. This alleviates the weight of the water while also giving me the benefits of hover diffusing, which has been working great for not busting up my curl clumps. So you saw that I did the front section there and then the side, and now I'm doing the other side. I sit still for roughly a minute before I change position. So I am going to be doing that again, gently starting in the middle and doing the sides and checking and seeing where we're at. Yes, I'm really focusing on the front, but once I have this front section kind of nice and set, I can flip right side up without my world falling apart. Just kidding, only my curl clumps fall apart if they're not dry and I try and flip right side up. Okay, now I'm going to start hover diffusing, focusing on the sides and back of my head. I will be turning up the dryer to the highest heat setting. Gasp. Don't tell the curly hair police, but since the dryer's not coming into contact with my hair, I'm really not concerned about the heat situation. I am gently scooping up my curls with my hand every so often, being super gentle. You really don't want to touch your hair too much. Looking back, I probably touched my hair too much, but it's okay. Really just hover diffusing the sides and back of my head. This hair dryer really is quite powerful and fast, and I love how lightweight it is. It's one of the most lightweight hair dryers I have ever tried. Now my hair is about 90% dry, and that only took 10 minutes, which is awesome and makes me so happy. All right, guys. Now that I have diffused my hair to 90% dry, I then wander around my house and let it finish air drying. And there is a new step in my routine that I have been doing that I didn't used to do that I now really am beginning to enjoy. I do think my hair being higher porosity, it likes this step way better. Higher porosity, it's highlighted. It likes using an oil to scrunch out the crunch a whole lot more than when my hair was lower porosity. But using an oil now, I find that it actually helps retain definition and some softness and moisture in the hair, more so than it did before. I am using the Curlsmith bonding oil, just one pump, smoothing it over, kind of doing a gentle prayer hand situation, and then I'm going to scrunch it out. This is seriously my favorite part of wash day. It's the most magical and transformative. All right, guys, and that is it. That is my new diffusing routine. I did include this last little step since it is a little bit different than how I used to do things. I've been loving this routine. I love how fast my hair dries now. 1, because it's shorter, 2, because it's higher porosity, and 3, because the Laifen just dries my hair so stinking fast. It's really, really cool. Again, thank you, Laifen, for sponsoring this video. If you're interested, links in the description down below in case you feel like checking it out for yourself. Just know I never ever mention a product unless I really like it and think it is an incredibly high quality product that will benefit you and your hair and your healthy hair journey. So there you go. All right, as always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye. So satisfying. I love the magnetic stuff. It's just so pretty.